Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Openrouter API in Python. First, go to Openrouter AI, sign up or log into your account, then generate a new API key. After generating it, copy the full API key value. This long string of letters and numbers is your private key, so keep it safe and do not share it publicly. Next, install the request library. Open your terminal and type pip space install space request, then press enter. This installs the library needed to send API requests from Python. Now, write your Python code. Create a new file called openrouter_test.py. Inside this file, add the code you see on your screen. In that code, you will send a request to the Openrouter API and print the AI response in the terminal. After that, run the script. In your terminal, type python space openrouter_test.py and press enter. If everything is correct, you will see the AI response printed in your terminal. Now, instead of hard-coding your API key directly inside the script, use an environment variable, which is safer method. On Mac or Linux, type export space openrouter_API_key equals quotation mark, then paste the actual API key you copied from Openrouter, then close quotation mark and press enter. On Windows, type setx space openrouter_API_key space quotation mark, then paste your actual API key, then close quotation mark and press enter. After this, close your terminal and reopen it so the variable is saved properly. Then inside your Python file, import the OS module by typing import space OS. After that, create a variable by typing API_key space equals os.gdnv open parentheses quotation mark openrouter_API_key quotation mark close parentheses. This allows Python to securely read your saved API key from your system instead of exposing it directly in the code. Now, your Openrouter API setup is complete and secure. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.